Hello and welcome to the Wednesday quiz for 3rd grade this week. Here we have a story where Sophia has a square piece of paper and she cuts the paper from the upper left corner to the bottom right corner. So if we were to picture that, here's a square piece of paper, and if she cut it from the, from the upper left corner to the bottom right corner, what kind of shapes would we have? Something like this, and the other side would look something like this. So we'd have two triangles. So this is asking, what is the total number of sides and angles in both of the new shapes? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So we circle 6 sides. And how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 angles. Okay, question 2. If we have this square piece of paper and it's cut from the upper left corner to the bottom right corner, how many right and acute angles are in both of the new shapes? So again, we'd have something like this, and the other side would be something like this. So how many right angles? Well, it looks like we have a right angle here and a right angle there. So we are looking for 2 right angles. Now it also asks for acute angles. So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4 for acute. 2 right and 4 acute. Okay, next question. So Calvin has a square piece of paper, and he cuts the paper from the upper center edge to the right center edge and wants to know the total number of sides and angles in the new shape. So here we have an interesting scenario. So here's our square sheet of paper. And if we were to cut from the upper center edge to the right center edge, we would be cutting that corner off. So we might have something that looks like this. Okay. So how many total sides and angles are in the new shape? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. So 8 sides. And how many angles total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 sides and 8 angles. Finally, question 4. If we have that same square piece of paper and he cuts the paper from the upper center edge to the right center edge, how many right obtuse and acute angles? So let's go back up to this figure again, and it's going to have that same shape where we cut off the corner. Let me redraw that so we have room to start labeling our angles. Something like this and this. So as far as right angles, I see a right angle here and here, here, and here. So we have 4 right. It also asks about obtuse. So obtuse, that looks obtuse. We'll do an O. So 2 obtuse. And what about acute? Remember, acute are the angles that are less than 90 degrees. So here would be an acute angle and another acute. So 2 acute. Okay, 4 right too obtuse, and too acute. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.